Picking a wrong niche is the fastest way to set yourself up for failure and to start burning money in e-commerce. So when you pick the right one, you're setting yourself up for success here. So in this video, I'll talk about how to find the perfect niche for your e-commerce store. I'll actually give you 5 niches that I know are working right now with e-commerce dropshipping. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've built my own e-commerce brand, Nancy Home Store, to around $9 million in sales. And now, I'm helping you to achieve similar results. So let's just get into the 5 niches that I know are working really well today when it comes to e-commerce dropshipping. So first up is furniture and home decor. Now this is a wildly underrated niche. It's my favorite niche when it comes to e-commerce. So a lot of people think when it comes to furniture that you need to ship like full-size sofas and that the logistics will be a big headache, which is not at all the case. You can start with smaller products, right? You can sell like small nightstands and still make a really solid margin on those products. And one of the things that make this such a really good niche is the high average order value and lifetime value of people. Because if you buy furniture, you're already in your mind having the idea that you'll need to spend at least a couple hundred, if not a couple $1,000s on your furniture. So, and people really love their homes. They want to decorate it nicely. They're emotionally invested in it as well. So it's an amazing sell. You can use both Google and Meta ads to sell this stuff. So it's really amazing. And when it comes to average order value and lifetime value, the sky is the limit, honestly. I've seen customers come through that spend like $50,000 on their home just on like this one store, right? So next up is pets. This is also a very good niche. I've seen a lot of people do really well at this. I've got some clients that are selling for example, dog beds, and people treat their pets like family, so they also invest in it quite a bit. So you can sell dog beds for a couple $100s per piece, and people just buy it if you market it correctly. So the second niche that you can definitely consider to get into, it is crowded, competitive. Well, that's with every niche that's good. There's a ton of competition in each niche that works essentially. So pets, very viable niche to start your e-commerce dropshipping store in. Just to beat the competitors in that niche, it is very valuable to niche down. So don't just sell any type of pet products. Sell like luxury dog beds, for example, or like luxurious cat accessories, like just as an example. Make sure to be a specialist in a certain pet product. The third niche is beauty. Now, beauty is also a very crowded market, but still, especially women, they spend so much money on beauty. And especially the lifetime value in this niche is amazing, because once you've gotten the trust of a person and you deliver a good product, they'll keep coming back and they'll keep buying it because they know that this product works. So for example, skin cream, make sure you sell like really good products, of course. But if your cream is really good, then this woman will always want to keep buying it from you. And you can even put like a subscription option on your product page in this niche, because people will just keep needing it, right? Also, this niche has very high perceived value because it solves real issues of people, and margins are also great. So it's definitely a viable niche. But again, make sure to niche down, because you don't want to be like just a generic beauty store. It'll feel like a dropshipping store. So make sure to brand it really well, and you will be able to make good money in this. Now, the fourth niche is desk and office upgrades. Now, especially this day and age with a lot of people working from home, there's so much demand for desk accessories and like upgrading your working environment, basically. So things like adjustable desks, like rising desks, laptop stands, monitors, like cable organizers, footrests, and there's like a lot of margin on these products. And also the amazing thing with these products is that You can also bundle them together, because if somebody's looking for like a footrest, then they might also need some other stuff. So you can definitely get a really good average order value in this niche with very solid margins. Now the fifth and last niche is the baby and toddler products niche. Now this niche is quite amazing because it has a lot of urgency behind it. And of course, people care so much about their kids that they're willing to spend a lot of money on it, because it improves the lives of their kids, makes them sleep better, it makes them like enjoy their life more. So it's definitely a product with a very high perceived value. So it's very important to create a lot of trust if you're going to operate in this niche. Make sure to have a trustworthy store that people feel confident buying from. It needs to feel secure, because the products need to be secure, right? So quick recap of the 5 niches. So first up is furniture and home decor. Second is pet accessories. Third is beauty. Fourth is desk and office upgrades. And fifth is baby and toddler products. Now all of these niches have a lot of demand, and there's a lot of room for branding here. There's no brands in here. Like if you were to sell phones, you have like Apple, you have Samsung, but with those niches, there's not a whole lot of brand affinity going on. So they're perfect to start a brand in. Now choosing the right niche is just step one. You can make any of these niches work, honestly. But the next problem that you're gonna have is how to find winning products in those niches, right? So I'm going to create a whole video on this, which I'll probably upload in like 2 days from now. So be sure to check my channel if it's already been past 2 days after I drop this video. And I will have a full video outlining how to find winning products in basically all these niches. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that video. Also, there's a link in the description that talks a bit about how we help e-commerce stores grow. I don't care if you click it or not, but just letting you know that it's there. I just hope you get a ton of value out of this video and helps you to pick a niche for your dropshipping store. So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.